How to fix Expedia application crashing on iPhone. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, then pause in the middle. Then find the Expedia application running on your background. All you have to do is force close the application from running. Once you close it, all you have to do is head backwards to your home screen. Now try to turn off your phone and turn it back again, which will clear out temporary system bugs. Now all you have to do is go ahead and launch your device's App Store, then search for the Expedia application. Then tap Update if there is new version available. Now what you can also do is press and hold the application icon from your app gallery. Then proceed to uninstall it or reinstall it onto your device. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.